Okay, we're about 8 hours into our blizzard with 4 or 5 more hours to go. That's according to the weather. Looking off my second deck balcony over at the neighbors, and when this started 8 hours ago there was barely like an inch of snow on the ground, and now you can see that the drifts are all the way. That's the neighbor's second floor that you're looking at right there. There's their first floor windows and their door. So the snow is almost up to the second floor, and I don't know what it looks like over on our side, but so there's no way they're getting out there. I know my front door is snowed in. I'm going to take a look at that next. But there's a drifts almost to the second floor. There's somebody. That's below there is their sliding glass door, so that is all the way up to their door. And there's a furnace roof. They had a problem with the furnace right now. I feel bad for them. I'm going to go downstairs. Okay, here's the view out my my back door. It's drifted up, but not nearly as bad as the neighbors across the way. That you can see those ones we looked at from upstairs, where the drift is all the way up to the windows and the back doors, and they ain't getting out of there. But that means that the front of their building is really clear, blown clear, so they'll be alright. But that also tells me that the front of my building, which is like the back of their building, is not going to be so great. So now I wonder what the front looks like. Oh wow. Well, it's not up to, at least it's not up to the height of the door, but as you can see, the wind has kept my car pretty clear. So there's my car. I've just got 1, 2, 3 pretty good sized snow drifts to get through to get to it. But if we look a little bit to the left in front of my car, right there, that is Angela's car, completely buried. So that's gonna be fun. That also means I have a wall of snow in front of my garage door, so there ain't no opening the garage door. Once this stuff stops, I'm anxious to get out there and see what the world looks like.